Here's for you.
I have been transferred to a community health center.
Yes. And you were expected to be there in the next 24 hours.
Doctor, is there nothing we can do about this?
Something like what? What are you saying?
We could reshuffle this. Doctor, I don't want to work in a rural area. Doctor, please just tell me anything. I will give you anything. Just tell me what you want. Anything you want, please, Doctor.
What? What are you really saying? Trying to bribe me or what?
No, not at all. I'm just asking if we could arrange something. I mean, this.
My goodness. You are a disgrace to medical profession. Leave my office.
Doctor, this is not...
I said leave my office! Leave my office before I do something that you will regret. Get out!
No, I don't think so.
Thank God. Doctor, this thing has happened to him 3 times this week. We need to do something.
Don't worry. He's going to be fine. He just needed some rest. Okay?
Okay. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
To our headquarters tomorrow, okay? Where they can treat you free. And then secondly, they deal with hepatitis cases like this one. As you can see, we've tried our best, but you're not improving at all.
Oh, doctor, I've heard you, but I don't have transport fare to go to the headquarters.
I understand. Don't worry. I'll make some money available for you, okay?
Thank you so much, doctor.
I need to be fine.
Obioma! 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 I've been calling you since you used to answer me.
Sorry, Mama, I was rushing.
Hey! Take a look at yourself.
What about the doctor?
I've not seen the doctor today. I heard he has been transferred. The new doctor is on her way.
What about my letter?
Letter? He didn't drop any letter. So what did they tell you at the headquarters?
They said I must go with a referral letter, else they won't take treatment.
you serious?
Yes. Yes, please. You have to help me. Please.
Vicky, I can't do anything now. I think you should just go and see Dr. Ben. Who knows, maybe he will do something.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You've been caring and so helpful to me. God bless you.
Bless you too. It's my job.
Thank you.
See you later.
What is this money for?
Mama, for the food items now.
500 naira to buy food items. What do you think 500 naira can buy?
Mama, you said you need to buy food items and I've given you money and you're here complaining.
You know, sometimes you just behave as if you do not have any money. What is this now? Eh? Or you don't know what is happening in the country?
I don't have.
You don't have. You never have. And you do not care. Do you realize that I used my life savings to send you to nursing school? And now that you're out, you do not care for us, you do not provide for us. 500 naira to buy food things. It's not fair. Eh? You don't care about me, you don't care about your brother and also.
Hey, Mama, what is it now? Why are you making me look like I don't take good care of you and also?
Why? But do you take care of us? Tell me, when was the last time you visited Nonso in school? Very soon he will be kicked out of school. Eh? Lady caretaker, I can see you're taking very good care of us. Look, if I had an in-law, at least he would have made sure I had okoroko and mangala to eat. Then I would look fresh and young. Manamba, you will not give us the money, you will not marry.
Mabiko, don't start, please.
I shouldn't start?
Yes.
I shouldn't start. Kangwaki, if you're not ready for me to talk about husband, then provide for us. Give us money to feed. What is all this nonsense?
Mama Biko, I'm running late. I'll see you when I get back in.
500. We're waiting for you. When you come back, you chew it now. When you come back.
Yes, who is that? Come in. Why are you still around?
Doctor, I told you I have a phobia for rural areas. Doctor, and I'm begging you, please, kindly do something for me.
There is absolutely nothing I can do about it. And I don't want to see you around here tomorrow.
Why must it be me, doctor? Am I not one of the best in this state? Why must I be sent to somewhere where I will face mosquitoes and...
Beatrice, you're shouting in my office.
I'm sorry, doctor. That's because I'm angry.
Good luck.
But Ma, is there not something you can just...
Listen, Dr. Beatrice, the earlier you start going there, the better for you. The inspection team from Abuja might get there before you. And you know what that means.
Doctor, I'm begging you. Please, just kindly do something for me. I can't see myself staying in the village. I hate rural areas, please.
Beatrice, it's a shame that you are talking like this.
I have bigger dreams in this city. I've never dreamt of staying in a rural area. city is my life. I can't cope in a village. I can't survive there. I can't.
Excuse me, Dr. Beatrice.
Doctor, please just look into
Leave my office.
Ben hasn't come yet.
Dr. Ben will be coming back here. He has packed all his belongings. I told you to check on him the last time. See, Bikin, you need to act fast. Your condition has gotten worse.
So, I'm going to die very soon.
Going to die? Why are you talking like that?
I heard hepatitis B is so deadly and very dangerous. What did I do? What did I do, nurse?
See, Bikin, don't worry. The new doctor will resume work very soon. But before then, I think you should see Dr. Ben. Biko.
I don't have strength to come meet Dr. Ben. You don't understand me. My head, all my body, everywhere is...
Sorry, yeah? Sorry. Let me get something for you. Sorry.
Hello. How do I find my way to the community health center?
Just go straight, then take your left. She can't even say thank you. I think you're this one now. This time now, you come back and show you.
Are you blind? Can't you see the car broke down?
Oh, sorry. Let me check if it's the battery so I can...
What are you trying to do?
I want to check if it's the battery so that I can help you and assist you and fix it.
Are you a mechanic?
Not really.
So?
From the battery.
It's not from the battery. Of
course I told you don't know anything and you can't possibly fix this car. Just kindly help me push the car so that I can start it.
Push it? Sorry, I can't push. I'm not feeling so well. Please, if you can be patient, I'll arrange some boys that will assist you if I push the car.
Arrange some boys? Oh my God, you all are all the same.
Okay, ma.
Madam, wait! Wait! Madam! Wait!
Yes?
Your phone, find me some. Thank you. It's so wicked though. Just to find even small thing. Don't worry. Tomorrow is another day. Stupid woman.
Mr. Man, will you get your filthy hands off that car?
Sorry, ma.
Do you know how much this car cost? Can your forefathers or your father afford this car?
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Anyway, what's your name?
Bike.
Wiki.
Yeah, Chibike.
Don't you have an English name?
No, ma. Sorry. I'm not an English man.
You should have an English name.
I don't like English names.
Alright, my name is Dr. Beatrice, but I like it when I'm called B.
B?
Yes, B.
Is that why you're... Oh, sorry. Well, it's okay, ma. I'm a farmer.
Oh, I see. That's why you're always looking this dirty and unkempt. But why would a man like you be doing peasant farming?
Because it's better than doing nothing.
Oh. Anyway, it's my birthday on Tuesday, and I only thought it wise to invite you at least so that you could have some good food. You're always looking hungry and starved. By the way, when you are coming to my house, make sure you don't come looking all smelling and dirty like this. Clean yourself up. Is that okay?
Madam, thank you. I don't go to birthdays.
My friend, that is a rude response.
Well, all that you said is even much rude.
Anyway, suit yourself. I don't have
Chike, why would they give this kind of doctor a license? No wonder your name is B.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man.
Yes, I went to the farm.
Vicky, you went to the farm in your condition.
No, so what do I do? I was hungry, so I had to go and look for food.
It's okay. The good news now is that the new doctor has changed work. She's joined yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good news. So, can I go in now and see her?
No. She has rule. You have to take number during consultation. After that, you go one after the other. Do you understand? So you have to go and come back on Tuesday. But before then, I promise I will get your food across to her.
Alright. Thank you so much. I appreciate your concern. God bless you. Thank you.
Wiki, right?
Yes, doctor.
What do you want? It's not yet my birthday.
Sorry, doctor. I heard you're the new doctor at the health center.
Yes.
Please. I came.
Wiki or whatever you call yourself. I hope you're not thinking I'm going to give you some money because you helped me pick up my phone. Mr. Man, I don't have any money to give to you.
Please. I came. Can't you just calm down and listen to me?
Okay. I'm listening.
Doctor, please. You need to help me. I'm dying.
You're dying. Dying of hunger. Take a good look at me. Do I look like your mother? I mean, what is wrong with everybody in this village? 5 people already came here to ask me for money since I got into this town. Why can't you all just look for something to do, get busy and make some money?
Doctor, I'm not here for that.
I don't even know why I'm standing here talking to you. I better go inside before you spoil my day, like you always do. Wiki, whatever you call yourself. You can have this. I don't want it to look as if I am not grateful that you picked up my phone.
I don't need your money, doctor.
You see how ungrateful you are? Well, my advice to you is that you go out there, look for a job, work, make some money, be a man.
Why are you doing this to me? You are too educated to behave like this.
You idiot! What gave you the impetus to talk to me in that manner? Are you insane?
I'm not an idiot, doctor.
Yes.
Yes, I'm not an idiot. Why are you doing like this? Why are you so wicked?
Now, just stop your godforsaken slippers. Gather up your low, self-esteemed personality and get out of my compound if I do something stupid. Mr. Man, I said you should leave. Get out! My goodness! Look at this poor village rat talking to me in that manner. You haven't even finished taking your bath. You're talking to Dr. Beatrice. Jeez.
Show love when you can. Show kindness. kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time.
Yes, coming. And who asked you to sit?
I'm sorry.
What's your tag number?
18.
So why are you here?
Doctor, number 17 is not around.
Well, Mr. Man, you shouldn't be smart to rush in before another patient.
Dr. Ward, he left.
Yeah, hold. Yes, Mr. Man. What do you want?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Well, if that's why you're here, I have called off the party.
Well, I'm not here for the party. I came to wish you well, and as well give you this.
What's that?
Check it out yourself.
Whatever you call yourself. Listen, if you think I will forgive you for shouting at me the other day, you lie. I won't. I must make you pay. I won't forgive you in a hurry.
Even in the spirit of birthday?
Who's smiling with you? What's so funny?
I'm sorry.
You remove your eyes from that seat? Who asked you to sit down? Do you know how much this seat cost?
Sorry.
My princess on the floor. You are just so lucky today is my birthday. Seriously, I would have smashed your head for trying to sit on my couch.
Thank God it's your birthday. Well, you have a nice place here.
Oh, really? So you think because I was posted to this God-forsaken community, you think I'm a poor doctor? You think I don't have eyes for quality things, or I don't know when I see something that is good? You see, what am I even saying? What do you even know about quality things? Just hold on, let me get you something to eat because I know you're starving already.
No, I'm okay.
No!
I'm not hungry.
You are not okay. You are very hungry. I can see it in your eyes. You are hungry.
Doctor, please. Instead of giving me food, can you just give me your attention, please?
For goodness sake, what is wrong with this man? Does this place look like a hospital to you? Just sit here and let me get you something to eat. Go on, take. Have it and stop looking at it. Have you seen this kind of food before? Eat it. It will make you look fresh.
Doctor, what is this?
What does it look like? It's called Indomie. I know in your entire life, you haven't tasted something like this. My dear, eat it. It will make you feel better, fresher, younger.
Oh, thank you, I'm fine.
Well, I can see you are not in the mood to have some good food. Pick up your things, whatever you came with, and please leave.
The gift.
What gift? What's that?
Yeah, Uba double. I bought it for you.
Uba? What's that? Mr. Man, step out of this place! You bought Uba for who?
Original Uba.
Come and see, who posted me into this kind of place? Who brought me to this community? Take your God-forsaken self out of my house!
You're a doctor. You should know this. This is better than this.
What do you mean by that? Okay.
This is fresh Uba. More.
Jesus. Mr. Man, pack up your load, your Uba, and whatever you came with, and leave my house. Please. I said you should leave. Do you want me to throw you out?
Sorry. Happy birthday.
Just get out. Just
show a little kindness, do some good.
Obioma! 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 Mama, what's the matter with you? You left that small soup on the fire to burn up here. Come back here. It's okay, I've put it down.
Mama, I'm sorry, I entirely forgot.
Why won't you forget? Come on. I hope what I am suspecting has not happened. That boy has written to tell you that he's no more interested.
God forbid. Mama, God forbid, there is nothing like that. He won't leave me.
He won't leave you?
Yes.
Hey, look at you. He promised you that he was going to come back and take you to America. 2 years! I don't know, but he's been gone. Mom, you've not even crossed River Niger. Eh?
Mama, yes, he promised. But, Mama, you have to know that life over there is not easy.
Life is not easy. That man is not going to marry you. If you like, wait. Write love letters. He will not marry you. He will not come back here to marry you. Let me advise you. It is better for you to marry now that you're beautiful and young. And not wait until you're old and ugly. And then old man will come and marry you.
My love, where do you expect me to get this kind of money from? Where?
Mama. You know, I'll be going to the market tomorrow, in the morning, to buy the things that I will need for the Umuada meeting.
Okay.
You know, I need to buy slippers, handbag, headgear, and everything will cost roughly 10,000 naira only.
10,000 naira?
But you promised to give me the money at the end of the month now.
Where do you expect me to get that kind of money from?
What do you mean you don't have money? I saw you counting money the other day. It seems you don't have money.
Mama, I wasn't counting any money.
Obioma Biko, I don't have time for long talk. Just give me the money you promised me. Let me go and buy my things for one other meeting. No. I will not be the only one that will look different on that day.
What is it now? Why are you policing me? I said I don't have money.
Mama, policing you. I don't have time for your English show. All I know is that you must give me the money that you promised me. Better give me the... You're walking out on me. Obioma, Obioma, you will give me that money this night, oh. Onyawa. Hi.
Mama, I want to quickly rush to town and fix something.
Which town?
Onitsha. Everybody here. All is well, Mama.
Okay. Biko, Mama, just try and come back here. You know, there's no food in the house.
Okay, I'm ready.
Help me buy Our Lady's bed from Onitsha, Biko.
I will if I see.
You will see. Ada Chiacha. Hey. Stingy. Just as stingy as her father was.
Show a little kindness. Do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man.
I hope you haven't come with anything stupid again.
No, doctor. Please, can I have the medical history?
Mr. Man, I have told you I don't want to talk about anything concerning that. What is wrong with you?
Please help me. My heart is is paining me, doctor. Please help me, doctor. Please.
What rubbish are you talking about?
Well, I will think about it. In short, whenever the letter is ready, I will tell Obioma to send for you.
By the way, I haven't forgiven you for what you did to me the other day.
Doctor, I'm sorry, doctor. I was here the other day and your wife said you went out.
Oh yes, she told me. I hope all is well.
All is not well, Ichi. I'm sick. I was diagnosed of hepatitis B. For the past 16 months, I've not been myself. Dr. Ben said he can't continue with the treatment. I had to go to the headquarters. I went there, Ichi, but they refused to give me attention. They said I must come with the medical history.
How would they tell you such a thing? I've never heard of a doctor refusing to treat a patient because of that. Why?
I'm confused. I don't know what to do now.
This sounds strange. I understand the new doctor in our hospital has started work.
Yes, well, she didn't want to give me attention.
Why?
I don't know. I've begged her for over 2 weeks now.
Why must you beg her to do her job? It's her duty. Anyway, I will go and speak with her tomorrow. I will speak with her. I'll go to her office after.
Wow. Thank you so much. I said that I should come and see you now. Thank you, Jay. I'll have to go now. I want to go to the farm.
To the farm? In your condition?
I don't know. I have to go and look for
you. Not take it easy, yeah? And I speak with her, I'll meet you. Not take care of
Are you here to teach me my job? Are you here to tell me what to do? Are you the one who posted me here?
Young woman, I am not here to teach you anything. I am only telling you the right thing to do. Your job is to save lives. And you should take it seriously. Simple. Just take a look at the file, write your report indicating the treatment so far. That's all. Is that not what you call medical history?
Well, he doesn't know what he is saying. I won't give him any medical reports.
But you can at least give him a referral letter.
Well, Ichiobi, you can do that if you so wish. I don't have time for that. I am very certain that he wasn't rejected because of that referral letter. That is not possible. I mean, if it was that necessary, the doctor who was here would have given it to him before he left. You don't come to my office to tell me to do things that are not necessary.
Young woman, you have to do it.
And if I don't?
I will report you to the headquarters.
Well, you better do so before I do.
Alright, man. We shall see. I hope you do not regret this. I hope it does not get too late for you to do the right thing.
Mr. Man, leave my office.
Someone leave my office.
If I'm posted to this God-forsaken hospital, I'm sure this old-looking man wouldn't come here talking to me.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show love.
Okay, what is it?
I don't know. I think my liver is failing me. Do you know, I usually cough out blood.
What? Okay, don't worry. Doctor is around. I think you should see her.
She has refused to see me.
Why?
I don't know. Do you know that she sent me out the other day?
Oh, don't me. She's not like that. She's not bad.
I didn't tell you because I don't want to bother you, and I don't want her to insult you because of me.
Don't worry. I think she's just stressed. But I'll talk to her. She will do something about your case. Don't worry. Let me get something for you. Yeah?
Show a little kindness, do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better.
Yes, who's there? Coming. Oh, no, Sobio. Why is this file here?
Dr. Beachem is dying.
Oh, that's the truth. My dear, I don't want to talk about it. Do you know that fool actually sent an old man here to insult me?
Beachem is not who you think he is. He is not.
Oh, who is he? And why does he keep bothering me?
See, Dr. Beachem has been sick for some time now. Dr. Ben was supposed to treat him, but he was just angry because the Igwe refused him getting married to his daughter.
Really?
Yes.
Well, Mr. Grima, I don't want to talk about that boy anymore. He's just one village illiterate.
See, Beachem is one of the nicest young men in this community. Do you know where you are staying? He's the one that plastered and painted it.
Is that so?
Yes.
Is that why he keeps bothering me? Well, I can pay him to stay away.
Dr. B, it's not like that. He needs your help. We treated him, we tried all we could, but nothing was happening. They had to transfer him to Federal Medical Center. He went there, they asked him to go and get his medical history.
Well, no, Sobima, that is not possible. No doctor in the headquarters will reject him because of his medical history.
That's what he said.
Anyway, what is wrong with him? What disease does he have?
They said hepatitis B.
Oh my God. He has hepatitis B?
Yes.
My God. Why didn't he tell me?
He tried all he could to tell you, but you were giving him a cold attitude.
Jesus, I actually thought he was one of these village beggars and miscreants.
He's not. See, as a matter of fact, Beachem he's a nice person. He's not a bad boy at all. He's not. Do you know the sickness in question? He actually contacted us trying to save one small boy from drowning.
Oh, what have you done? What have I need to see him right away. Do you know where he lives?
I do.
Please take me to his house.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love.
I'm sorry, let me get my bag. Where are you going to? My bag. Just leave the handbag.
I'm coming. My phone is inside.
Just hurry up, please. Hurry up.
Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
No, so get some antibiotics fast.
Okay.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
No, so then. How are you?
I'm fine. You slept here?
Yes, I did. Please just help me look after him. I need to go home and freshen up.
Oh, okay.
Doctor! Picky?
Wait here, sir. Don't you think we should take him to headquarters?
Dr. Beatrice, what's really happening?
Doctor, I have a patient in my car. I don't know what's wrong with him.
Is there an accident case?
No, we have to do something quickly.
What happened to him?
He has hepatitis B.
For how long?
So I don't know.
There is blood on his mouth. That shows that his liver has been affected badly.
Yes.
Call a stretcher. Nurse!
No, Mama! Tell a nurse to get a stretcher. Okay. Tell one of the nurses to get a stretcher. Doctor, we need to do something quickly before we lose him.
Oh yes, we have to run a test on him first.
Yes, but I already told you he has hepatitis B.
Yes, but it seems he has something deadlier than hepatitis B.
But at least you can do something.
What is wrong with him? Am I not doing enough? We have to run a test on him first. Excuse me, please.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are
Seriously, I don't know what to do.
What did she say?
A test must be run before any proper treatment. I'm so scared. What if he dies before something happens?
Nothing will happen to him. Let's wait for the test first.
Just hope so.
So, Dr. B, why are you getting yourself worked up? I said, let's wait for the test.
You're asking me why I'm getting myself worked up. Obiba, do you know what is about to happen?
Nothing will happen. Nothing.
You sent for me.
Yes. I need to see his medical history as soon as possible.
I didn't come very far.
That's okay. Go and get it for me because I'll work with the report.
Okay, let me get it.
show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
He also has a severe typhoid and his liver damaged.
Doctor, what do we do? What do we do about this? Is there nothing we could do?
Dr. Beatrice, you know how much I hate trial and error.
What are you trying to say, doctor?
It's okay. Let's just not talk too much about this. I will begin with the treatment of hepatitis immediately.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Oh, you don't need to do this.
God bless you.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Let me just go and check on you.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Show love when you can.
Dr. B, I want to get something down the road.
Alright. I just hope he recovers in no time.
He will. I'll be back soon.
Okay, alright. Are you okay? Are you alright?
What is it? Vike? Vike? Doctor!
Sorry. He's doing better. At least he was able to drink some of this.
Vike, how are you doing?
Anyway, just help me take care of him. I need to go and fix my car. It's very important.
Okay, but sorry, doctor, before you go, there's bad news.
Bad news? Where?
Mama called me. She said Ichie Obi has been going around the village telling everybody that if anything happens to BK, you will have him to face.
Oh, well, as you can see, Vicky is doing fine. So he cannot deal with me. Vicky will be fine.
Okay.
Anyway, just help me take proper care of him. I need to go and fix my car.
Okay, no problem, my water.
So, take care.
Okay.
Dr. Beatrice, you have to act fast or we lose him.
What? Doctor, what do I need to know? What do I do?
Go to Asaba, get these drugs. Do that as fast as possible, okay?
Doctor, I will, but while I'm going to Asaba to get these drugs, do everything possible to take care of him, please, Doctor.
I will. Run, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay.
Ma, I noticed that his breathing has changed.
Don't worry. We'll be fine, okay? Who is it to Dr. Beatrice?
Just a friend.
A friend?
Yes.
I wonder what is keeping her in Asaba. Have you checked her phone?
I've tried calling, but her number keeps saying switched off.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay, it's okay, yeah? You'll be fine. Sorry. Sorry.
some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better.
Nurse. She hasn't yet returned?
I've not seen her.
And her phone? Still off? Switched off. My goodness. What is keeping her? Why is she taking so much time?
I don't know.
I hope it's not late when she returns.
I pray so.
We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love.
Obioma, is everything alright? Obioma, talk to me. How is Wike? Is he alright?
Wike is fine.
Oh, yes, she almost got me scared.
What kept you?
My dear, my car broke down.
And your phone?
I had a low battery.
Dr. Beatrice, what is keeping you?
My car broke down.
It's okay. Any success?
Yes. Okay. Doctor, wait.
Calling you to come and hold you out of there. Get out! Get out! You murderer! I will make you pay for this. Get out! Take it away from this man. Now! Get out now! Okay, wait for me. Wait, I'm coming.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
Ogeni. Hey, what about Wike? Hey! I knew it. I knew it. I had this feeling something like this was going to happen. Hey! Hey, Chibo! You see it? That your Dr. Beans or Bean or whatever she's called. Virtually everyone in this village begged her, but she wouldn't listen. Now look at this. We cannot go, Mon. Go.
Mama, why are you talking like this now? Why are you making it look like I didn't put in my effort? Mama, you know I tried. Mama, I tried though. I tried. I don't want to put it on We can, Mom. Hey! We can't, Mom.
I think you should eat something. You've been crying all day.
Yeah, Mama. I so hate myself right now. I just wish this grown woman would have swallowed me.
Don't say that. What has happened has happened.
I don't understand. Maybe if I had listened to him, this wouldn't have happened. It wouldn't have happened. I didn't mean to kill him. I didn't mean for this to happen. Oh no.
I understand, but see, you don't have to kill yourself.
I can't even forgive myself. I could not even ask him to forgive me. I could not ask him to forgive me. I could not.
I understand, but see, I know where BK is right now. He has forgiven you. So stop crying, please. It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay wherever you are.
It's okay. Please, it's okay. He has forgiven you.
Forgive me. I didn't mean for this to happen. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. Sorry for waiting. You see, I'm only hearing this for the first time.
It's alright.
Please, let's go inside my office.
No, I'm okay here. Let me just lay my complaints and I walk out of here. Please, I'm okay. Now, I went to see Dr. Beatrice in her office, but she will not listen to me. She will not attend to the young man. Now the young man is dead. She had the guts to come to my house, apologizing and all whatnot.
I'm so sorry about it.
Listen, doctor, we are going to take Dr. Beatrice to court. Can I assure you of that?
No, it has not got into that. But why didn't you complain earlier?
I was here earlier to see you, but the stupid security man would not allow me in. And when eventually I got in, the nurse at the reception said you were in the theater. Can you imagine that?
Chief, please, we're sorry about the both thing. But the truth of the matter is that at the time that young man was rushed to this place, he was already in a critical condition. And we tried our best.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about that young girl who calls herself a doctor. She contributed to the death of BK. I can assure you of one thing. We will not allow this to lie low. We are going to take her to court and she will not go unpunished.
It's okay. We're sorry. I promise you we're going to investigate this matter. And if what you said now is true, she will not go unpunished.
Please do that quickly. Do it quickly.
Another thing I don't understand is about the medical history you're talking about.
Doctor, it belongs to the past. It's history now. I'm not here for that. All I'm here is to make sure Dr. Beatrice is punished. That's all.
It's okay. We're not taking it for granted.
We'll be waiting.
Thank you, sir.
But please, madam, we don't have all the time to wait. We're not going to wait for so long.
I understand.
She must not go punished.
I understand clearly. Thank you.
Show love when you can.
Dr. Beatrice, why taking your anger to the poor community?
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you
Beatrice, why?
show love
Why?
when you can.
How could you be this careless and wicked? Why? Just because you've been posted to a rural area?
Doctor, so sorry. I blame myself for everything that has happened. God knows I'm going to live with this guilt all my life. My mouth tastes of guilt, doctor. I'm sorry.
But why? Why, Dr. Beatrice? Why? Anyway, this is not my business. The disciplinary committee has found you guilty of negligence of duty and you've been suspended indefinitely.
Doctor, please, kindly help me do something.
Nothing. I am not among the disciplinary committee.
Doctor, you can do something.
There is absolutely nothing I can do about it.
Doctor, please.
I said no. No, don't even go there. Don't go there. Get up.
Doctor, please.
Please, excuse me, I have something important to do. Please.
Please, I am begging you. Please.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride.
Obioma! Yeah, now! I mean now! Dr. B! I said you have to leave this village now! The youths are coming for you! What?
If they want to kill me, let them come here and kill me.
I won't let that happen. You have to leave now!
If that is the only way they can forgive me, let them come here and kill me.
No, you have to go.
Look, I'm not going anywhere.
Dr. B, you have to leave!
I'm not going anywhere.
Why are you doing this?
If that is the only way they will forgive me, please.
You want them to kill you? No, I won't let that happen. You have to go. Please, I beg you. I don't want them to harm you. We go.
If that's the only way they will forgive me, let them come here and kill me.
No, they can't kill you. I won't let that happen. No.
If that's the only way
you will leave. You will. You have to.
Let them come here and kill me.
Oh my God, stop doing this. I don't like this.
I'm sorry. God. Oh my God.
No.
Two of you stay here. One, take it. She must not go. She must not go. Dr. B! Dr. B! Come out. I know you're inside there. Come out. Yeah? Where is that? Where is that wicked woman? Where is she? Where is that wicked murderer? Where is she? She did what? Go on. Look, search for her. Go into the village. Look for her anywhere. She must pay for her wicked deeds. Murderer. She will not go free. Let's go, move. Let's go.
Forget your pride. Forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show a little kindness. Do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show your problems, forget your pride.